Okada. Getting ready to check in. They take your bags and they bring them to your room, I guess, or bring them in, I don't know. They took our bags, gave us a ticket, and said, go to the reception. So, here we are.
Where's the casino there?
You excited? She likes the casino. Last night she won 1,000 pesos on bingo. Off of free 50 pesos. This place is nice. It's big. Some shotgun clubs. So it's pretty nice. Alright, see you in a second.
Texas Roadhouse later.
Oh man, what do you get? Yeah, it's not. It's good.
For Vinsoy.
Oh, for Vinsoy.
Dinosaur.
Yeah. Here we go to check in.
For check-in, 1:30 will be the registration time. 1:30. Right now it's prioritizing the checkout.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Can't check in yet. What do we do with our bags? Our bags are... They okay there? Okay. Alright. Alright, we'll be back at 1:30. Thank you. Well, we can't check into 1:30. So I guess we're gonna walk around and check out the hotel. See what's up. I guess we'll go find something to eat. Or we're gonna hit the casino. Ooh, I think Kristen wants to hit the casino when it's breakfast. Alright, see you in a bit. I'm rotty now. Alright, Kristen and I are here. Good, open it up. Here we go. Our Okada suite. Shut the door, Kristen. Shut the door, Kristen. Shut the door! No.
How about this? We get this already?
You don't need to do that. I think that's it. Here, what's in this? What's in there?
It's a bathroom.
Oh.
I mean, oh, you didn't see it. You didn't.
What's over here?
Here, I think it's a closet. Yeah, it's a closet.
It's a closet.
Come on. Yeah.
And
then
his and hers bathrobes. Oh, look at the room.
The room.
Oh, tease. No, come here.
Wait in here. Welcome to Okada Manila, Mr. MOGMAN.
Oh. Alright, here's the bed. Where the magic happens. Moan chicka wow wow. Huh? We need to adjust this real quick. It's still hot in here. Okay. Never mind. We're gonna look around. I'm gonna set this stuff down. Hey, Miss Magma, come here. Oh, we gotta go back. Let's go back through the closet.
Yeah.
And come around and look.
Yeah.
Get a nifty. This is Kristen's dream closet. She wants a closet like this. Okay. Oh, let's do this. Oh, wait. go down. Okay. Da-da! We done fucking broke the toilet already. Oh, there it goes. It's gonna eat you. Ah! Okay. Back to the room. And then here's our living room. We got a whole living room.
It's like already a house.
Yeah. Kristen wants to live here as our house. All you need is another room here. There'd be a separate bedroom. It would be good. So then if she fights or she yells at me, I'll bitch, get to the other side. No, I'm just playing. She'd be more like, get to the couch to me.
Are you ready?
Okay, ready? Show it, show it. Oh, oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, oh, nobody cares. Here, let's go look at this. Wait, get back here. Get back here. Show them outside.
Oh, where's the? It automatically.
Oh yeah, right here. No, that's it.
Here.
Yeah, pull it up. Pick it up. Press it. There you go. Get started. Room controls. Curtains.
Open.
Look at it. Oh, it opens to the fountain. It's beautiful Manila. A beautiful Manila and construction on the fountain area.
Yeah.
When the show goes on, we're going to sit down here. Hopefully record that. But yeah, here's the beautiful Okada. We've watched from all the way over there where we checked in, all the way over here and then up the elevator. Okay, now let's go to, come on. Let's go to the bedroom, to the bathroom.
The bedroom here.
Yeah, we saw the bedroom already, you weirdo. We're gonna look at the bathroom.
Yeah, I mean
The phone? You're amazed by the phone.
So
the bathroom.
This is mine and this is yours.
Yeah, that's right. This is mine and the toilet's yours. No. Here, open up the showers. Let's see the shower. What's in this one? What's behind door number 1? Pull. Another toilet. Walk in and see if it tries to eat you. Ah, it tried to eat you. Wow, okay. Let's see.
Come here, come here.
What?
Explain this one.
No, I will explain it in a second. Well, stick your butt on the toilet. Let's see.
No.
It's gonna spray you. I'm just playing. Here, show this one quick because my memory's almost full. 59, 58, 57. It's the shower.
Oh my gosh, it's a shower with a chair.
With a chair. It's the boom boom shower. Oh. And you got your, what you're worried about.
Conditioner.
Shampoo, soaps, rain shower. Alright. Now I've got to free up some memory so we can do more video of the whole room because that's just a quick show of it. And we're going to show all the amenities in it. Amenities. Okay. See you in a second.
This is... Nathan, you're in the